Next comes the letter P. P is for pencil.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Dark blue color.
H, I, J, K, L, M,
Pencil starts with the letter P. Let's spell it. P, E, N, C, I, L pencil.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Red color.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time
Orange color.
sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Next comes the letter Q.
Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Q is for quarter.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
Orange color.
my ABCs.
The word quarter starts with the letter Q. Let's spell it. Q, U, A, R, T, E, R quarter. Dark blue color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S.
Next comes the letter R.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
R is for ring.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Green color. Ring starts with the letter R. Let's spell it. R, I, N, G ring.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Skin color.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Gray color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
Next
my
comes the letter S.
ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
S is for sun.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Dark green color.
Next time won't you
Sun starts with the letter S. Let's learn the spelling. S, U, in sun.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I
Yellow
know
color.
my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D,
Next comes the letter T.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
T is for tree.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Dark
ABCs.
pink color.
Next time won't you sing
Tree
with
starts with the
me?
letter T. Let's spell it. T, R double E tree.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Dark
J,
green
K,
color.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with
Dark
me?
brown color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Next comes the letter U.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time
U
won't
is
you
for
sing
umbrella.
with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Light blue
X,
color.
Y, and Z.
Umbrella starts with the letter U. Let's spell it. U, M, B, R, E double L A umbrella.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Pink
J,
color.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Green color.
ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Next comes the letter V.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
V
X,
is for vase.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Yellow color. Vase starts with the letter V. Let's spell it. V, A, S, E vase.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
Orange
N, O,
color.
P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Yellow color.
ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Next comes the letter W.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
W
R, S,
is for window.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Pink color.
Next time
The window
won't you
starts with the
sing
letter
with
W.
me?
Let's spell it. W, I, N, D, O, W window.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Light blue color.
Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with
Skin
me?
color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U,
Next comes the letter
V,
X.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
X is for the Christmas tree.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Dark
Next
pink
time
color.
won't you sing with me?
Christmas tree starts with the letter X. Let's learn the spelling. X, M, A, S Christmas. T, R double E tree. Christmas tree. Green color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Dark brown color.
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Let's add some glitter. Green glitter.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
Yellow
with
glitter.
me? A-B-C-D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V
Next comes the letter Y.
W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
Y
time,
is for
won't you
yolk.
sing with me?
Dark blue color. Yolk starts with the letter Y. Let's spell it. Y-O-L-K yolk.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Yellow color.
me? A-B-C-D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P
Next comes the letter Z.
Q-R-S-T-U-V
Z is
W-X-Y-and-Z.
for zigzag.
Now I know my
Let's draw the
ABCs.
zigzag with
Next
black
time,
color.
won't you sing with me? A-B-C-D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P
Gray color. The word zigzag starts with the letter Z. Let's learn the spelling. Z-I-G-Z-A-G zigzag.